Is your Kia Forte's key fob working intermittently or not at all? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video covers the 2014-2018 Kia Forte key fobs. This section focuses on identifying your key fob for the 2014-2018 Kia Forte. These fobs have a specific design with remote locking and unlocking buttons, a panic button, and trunk release function. Here is an example of a 2014-2018 Kia Forte key fob. Notice the four main buttons: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. Another variation shows similar features. The black textured surface and silver keyring are common. The buttons include lock, unlock, trunk withhold, and panic. Make sure your fob has these remote functions and matches the design shown to ensure compatibility with these instructions. For replacing your Kia Forte key fob battery, you'll only need a few simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob without damaging it, and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium battery, which is widely available online or at most stores. Important safety note: avoid using metal tools near the circuit board to prevent electrical shorts. To open the key fob, first locate the seam on the side of the fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, usually with the positive side up. Gently pry the old battery out using a small screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the battery compartment or the circuit board. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the polarity matches the original orientation, with the positive plus side facing up. Double-check the battery orientation before placing it in. The exploded view shows the correct assembly order. Place the battery into the fob's compartment. Incorrect insertion can cause the fob to malfunction, so verify the orientation carefully. Ensure the battery is firmly seated in place. Now for the final step: reassembling and testing your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and snap them back together securely. Make sure the casing is fully closed and secure, with no gaps or loose parts. Now test the key fob's functions from 10 to 20 feet away to verify the new battery is working correctly. Test the lock button, unlock button, panic button, and trunk release. The block diagram shows how internal components like the microcontroller and transmitter work together to send reliable signals. If all functions work properly from the test distance, your battery replacement is complete. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery contacts are clean. A cotton swab with rubbing alcohol can help clean the contacts. Recycle your old battery at a designated drop-off point. If issues persist, consult a professional.